So troubleshooting the door being not feeling secure. So the door will have a little bit of give in it because it's a secure attachment here. However, it's not a security mechanism. So what we need to troubleshoot is that this is attached firmly on your caravan door latch. So sometimes the caravan door will have a little lip at the end here that may stop it from closing properly. So we're just going to go right up to as far as we can go and then firmly close the nut. And you'll see it's got a little bit of give, but it's secure. The other thing is making sure that this has been clamped, twisted down and around to stop that telescopic opening and moving. Closing that. So as you can see, depending on what window you have, there's varying degrees of opening that you'll be able to have. Now obviously you can close the window down and have an adjustment so that you can adjust it further. Obviously the closer it is to the van wall, the more secure it will feel as well. So the more open that this and lengthened this needs to be, the potentially less secure it will be. But as you can tell already, that slight difference and change in the length of expansion means a more secure feel.